All right, so let's go ahead and cover a couple of things before we get into some more, and some went away. All right, so look at my circle here. I want to write the number 7 inside of my circle. Where would that go? If I wanted to write the number 7 inside of my circle, where would I put it? Like, could someone show me where would I put it? Kendall, where would I put, if I had to write the number 7 inside the circle, where would I put it? You can point to it, like you have to come show me. No, like come. Where would inside the circle be? Yes, good. So this would be the inside. So if I wanted to write 5 on the outside of the circle, where would I write the 5 on the outside? I'm not gonna go you like that. You see how we can raise our hand with sitting? Like, it's so easy. Okay, David, how would I write the 5 on the outside of my circle? Show me where that would go. Yes, outside. So just keep that in mind. Inside means in it, outside means on the outer of it. I know you knew that, but just for those who may not have known that. Okay, so can someone give me a number that is more than 10? A number that is more than 10. Asa?
21.
Okay, 21. Good. What is a number that is less than 20? Less than 20. Gyro?
15.
15. Good. And I know there's others, guys. I know, but that's just some examples, okay? Remember, more means it's bigger, it's larger. Less means it's smaller, it's less. Okay? All right, so yesterday we talked about how in math we have story problems, which are problems that a story that has a problem. And because we are doing this in math, it will have numbers on the inside of it. We have 2 types of story problems. We have a some more and a some went away, okay? Let's say it together. Some more, some went away. So remember, some more means I had some, then I added some more, now I have 2. You will always start with a certain amount, but you'll end up with more than what you started with. Some more. So that's an addition. Remember, that's what I had said yesterday? An addition story problem. What symbol do we use? The plus symbol to show some more and some to show some more. Those are addition. We're adding. That's why we say more. Then we talked about some went away. That's like if I say I had some and then some went away. Do you see I had 2? Then I lost 1. Now I only have 1. You'll end up with less than what you started with. This one is a subtraction story problem. Subtraction. Okay, we use the minus symbol to show some went away. So what we're going to do today is we are going to use pictures to show. So let me give you an example. Okay, so I'm gonna do a some more first. If I would say there were 2 girls in line. Now I'm doing some more. So that means I have some, and what am I gonna do? Add some more. So there were 2 girls in line. I'm gonna put a line to show that 3 more girls came in line. Do you see what I just did? There were 2 girls in line, then 3 more girls came. How many girls do I have in line now? Tell me. 5. This is an example of a some more. There were 2, then I added 3. Now we have 5. That's how we create a picture. When we do some more, we always put the line to show that this is what we started with, and then we're adding some more. Do we see that? Yeah? Let me show you another one. Let's do it with, let's say apples, okay?
Apple.
I picked 2 apples on Monday, and I picked 1 apple on Tuesday. Do you see that? How many apples do we have now?
3.
Some more. I had 2 I picked, plus the 1 more I picked. That's a total of 3. So you can create a picture with whatever you want. I did apples and people. You can pick anything. So do you think you can do your own? All right, so let me see you try your own picture for some more. So you're gonna start only some more. So that means you're gonna start with a certain amount. What do you put to show that you're adding more? The line, yes, good job. Some of you are listening. And then on the other side, we put how many more we're adding. Do we see? You don't have to do the numbers like I did, not the numbers. I just want the picture, okay? So you can do apples, but could you find something else to do possibly? Yeah.
You can do anything.
Yeah,
you want.
anything you want. So start with a certain amount and then show me you're adding some more. All right, let me see. I'll give you about a minute or two. Pictures for some more. Okay. Okay, good. Now let's do the opposite, which is some went away. Now, okay. So let's say I had 4 flowers.
4.
I had 4 flowers. Okay, my 4 flowers. I gave 2 to Mom. So I'm going to X out. See the difference? When we're doing a some went away, we have to X them out to show that we lost them, that we got rid of them, that they're not there anymore. So I had 4 flowers that I had 4, then I gave 2 away. So I'm losing 2. So I will X out my 2 to show that I'm getting rid of them. Do you see the difference? So that would be 4, because that's what I started with, minus 2. And now how many I have left? 2. See that? Okay, let me do another one. Yes? Yeah. Orange. Okay. Okay, so let's do it again. I picked 6 apples. I picked 6 apples. I ate 1 apple. How would I show I ate 1 apple? X it out. I'm showing that I got rid of it. I lost it. So I had how many to start with? 6 minus, because I'm losing, how many? 1 equals 5 left. Do y'all see what I'm saying? All right, so now you try your own. Some went away. So have a certain amount and then lose some. We understand? Yes?
No, I don't know.
Okay, let's see your pictures.
I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet.
Okay, so when we do a sum went away, we do not have to put the line between it. I see a couple of you did that, but you do not. That were my instructions were only with the sum more. Sum went away, we just draw the picture and we X out. We don't have to put a line for sum went away, okay? Do we understand that? No line for sum went away, we just X them off. Okay. All right, good job. Okay, so good. So that's sum more and sum went away. We'll practice some more next week, and then we'll learn how to create what's called a number sentence, which that's what I was doing when I was putting the numbers. It's called a number sentence, but we'll get to that when we get to it. Okay. So sum more is an addition story problem. We are adding. Sum went away is a subtraction story problem. We are losing. Sum more, we're gaining. Sum went away, we're losing. That's why we're Xing them off. All right, awesome, guys. Go ahead and get out your letters book. Excuse me, we're on letter C on today, which is a pretty basic letter. Complicated. Page 14. Okay. That page can go on B side too, because we're done with that.
Not on here. Mama, right hand. We did with our hands. I think it's this one. It's this one. No, this is letter C. It's this one, right?
No, I have it.
Not letter C.
I'm coming. I don't know, not yet.
Yeah.
All right, letter C. Page 14, 8. All right, so here is letter C. So cursive C is similar to print C. They're pretty similar to one another. Okay, so just like whenever we did letter O and A, they started on the middle dotted line. Letter C is the same way. It'll start on the middle line. Okay, so we start up here with letter C. All we do is curve around, make sure we're touching our line, and kick it out. That's it. Curve around. That's like really it. I don't. Yeah. Okay. All right. So you can actually do the whole page of C on today because C is pretty easy. Just remember, guys, when you're connecting A and O, when you do your CA, you go halfway around, come back around to finish A. Do we know that already? Okay. When we do O, same thing. We go halfway around, come right back around to finish. Okay. All right. All right, you can finish the whole page today, Asa, okay? Just let me know when you're done. Tomorrow, Thursday. So we are going to do our final practice of our writing sentences, and your test is tomorrow. So hopefully this is the practice that you need to be prepared and ready for your test. All right, so remember, what are our two most important rules when we're writing sentences? Could someone give me one of the rules? Okay, Micah. Always end your sentence with a period. Good. What's our next big rule? Which one? Capitalize your first letter. Yes, the first letter of the sentence has to be capitalized. Good. So this week, we really just practice building our own sentences. Remember, your sentence has to have a who and a what is going on, the person it's about, and what they're doing in the sentence. We can't just have a who and call it a sentence, and we can't just have a what. So that's what we've been practicing all week. You guys have been doing a great job with that. So I don't think that it'll be too complicated for you guys to figure it out. So let's do 3 sentences on today. We'll quickly get that completed. You've been doing a great job, so I don't think it's anything. Ace, do you have any questions? No? Okay. All right, so let's start with number 1. We'll do a sentence about mom. So you write mom, finish the rest. Make sure you start your sentence with a capital letter and you finish it with the period. So make sure you put number 1 to show that that's number 1. So we have the who, mom. You tell me what. All right, let's share our mom sentences. Okay, David, what you have? Okay, guys, and that's what I said when I was walking around, that some of your sentences are not capitalized. But go ahead. Mom went to the beach. Mom loves Tim. Him, and then you.
Mom ate an apple.
Mom ate an apple. Mom is tired. Okay, guys, remember to capitalize your first letter. That's what I had said. I said a lot of y'all didn't capitalize the first letter and y'all didn't fix it. Okay, Asa, your sentence.
Mom gave me an apple.
Okay, can I see it? Can you show it? Just I want to make sure you capitalize and put a period. All right, good job. All right, let's do number 2. Okay, number 2. Rode, so we need a who. I have the what? Rode a horse. But I need a who did that. So you think of who. All right, go ahead. Number 2. This one. All right, number 2. So all we needed was a who. This one shouldn't have taken long at all. Okay, Brayley. Tim rode a horse. Good. Do we have? Okay, I see capital for some this time, capital T. Okay, Kendall. Kate. Kate rode a horse. Good.
John rode a horse.
Is that a capital J?
No, she said.
John rode a horse. Okay, Asa, you have one for this one, number 2. Okay.
Horse.
Who?
Pam.
Pam rode a horse. Good. Okay, what's yours? Tom rode a horse. I rode a horse. Okay, good job, guys. It's great you're able to build these sentences, but now it's making sure you capitalize, guys, and put your period. That's what I'm looking for on your test on tomorrow, okay? Capitalize, put a period. Why would I say that? I said to capitalize. I wrote it wrong because you have to write it correct. That's why I did it like that. Okay, and so let's do our last one, number 3. You're gonna create your own sentence. You pick your who and tell me your what the person did. Number 3, your own sentence. Okay, so number 3, create your own. Think of a who, tell me what they're doing. It could be about you, it could be about someone in your family. All right, let's hear some sentences. Okay, I'm only letting those who capitalize and put periods read. Okay, go ahead. What you have?
Mom has a ice cream.
Mom has an ice cream. Stop doing that. Go ahead. Kate went to the park. Courtney rode a bike. I can count to 13. Okay, good. All right, Asa, you have yours.
Noah made an ark.
Noah made an ark. Good. Okay, Tevin. Tevin rode Tevin rode a horse. Okay, Cairo. I went to the store. Good job, guys. So keep these sentences in mind. We've been practicing all week. Why? Because you'll have to do the same thing on your test on tomorrow, okay? Good job with the writing. We'll move on to phonics. You can put that away. You can put that on the side. And we'll move on to our phonics lesson. All right, so remember we have our vowels, but we also introduced chart 6 on yesterday. Okay, so let's go over our vowels first. All right, so our short vowels, what do they say? One more time. Good. Okay. So the one vowel rule tells us that when there is one vowel in a word, it is a short vowel. Again, when there is one vowel in a word, it is a short vowel. So when we see only one vowel in a word, we automatically know that it's a short vowel. How do I mark short vowels? With the good. So let's look at this first word. It's only one vowel, so we put the smiley face. The word would be, tell me, bag. Good. Next one, only one vowel, so we put the smiley face. The word is tail. Next one, only one vowel, we put a smiley face. Fit. Awesome. So those are our short vowels. Let's go over our long vowels. The long vowels say A, I, O, U. Good. A, E, I, O, and U. Good. So the two vowel rule is a little different. The long vowel rule is a little different. It says when there are two vowels in a word, the first vowel is long, second vowel is silent. Again, when there are two vowels in a word, the first vowel is long, second one is silent. So for example, I have this word. We have two vowels, I and E. I put a line over the I, cross out the E. What is my word? Good. Next one, an E and an A. I put a line over E, cross out A. The word is
Seeds.
seeds. Awesome. Good job. So tomorrow we have our first phonics test on tomorrow. So that's something new we're adding this week to one of our tests. We're gonna finally start taking our phonics test on tomorrow. So we'll usually practice blends and vowels. That's how our first test will be. We won't get to special sounds just yet. And you'll probably have a little bit of spelling on that test as well. So that will be your phonics test on tomorrow. Okay, we'll practice blends, vowels, what we've been practicing, right? For 2 weeks. And now we're finally testing on it. So tomorrow we have our first phonics test. Are you guys ready? I think so. We've been practicing a lot. And it's a lot of things that you kind of already knew. Alrighty. So let's go ahead and practice chart 6, the chart that we learned yesterday. Okay, do you remember the chart 6 here? I'm gonna turn it so you guys can see it. Where my chart is? Okay, with my vowel and prose. Okay, Joshua, vowel. And how do we mark it? All right, awesome. All right, guys, the next section of words, I will say a word, you have to write the beginning blend, okay? And mark your vowel as well. I'll say the word, mark your blend. I'm sorry, write blend, mark your vowel. First word is neck. Write the beginning blend in neck, and mark your vowel, neck. All right, so let's go over chart 6. After me. So after me. Y'all know what that means? We're gonna see. All right, CK says and Doug.
And dog.
E says E and me.
He says he and me.
O says O and go.
Oh,
After.
oh, and go.
Y says I and fly. And Y says A and pray. ST says and stop.
And he says and stop.
PL says pull and plane.
He else says pull, and clean.
FR says fur and frog.
And R says fur, and frog.
TR says chur and train. SH says sh and ship. TH says and thick. TH says and this. BL says bull and block. CL says pull and clock. FL says full and flake. And GL says glue and glue. Awesome. All right, so we started our sounds on our chart 6 yesterday. We did C, K, E, and O. Today we'll do Y that says I and fly, AY that says A and pray, and ST that says and stop. Okay. So I'll let some of you guys come up and circle, tell me the sounds and read the word. So Asa, can you do our first one? Tell me what's my special sound and what is the word?
Fly.
What's the special sound?
Why?
Okay. So remember, guys, we circle special sounds. What's the word, Asa?
Fly.
That's a B.
Bye.
Good. All right, Brayley, next one. Oh, hold on. Remember, we're doing Y-I, A-Y-A, S-T. Okay, next one. This is really easy because we know this already. What's the word?
My.
My. Good. Next one, Elijah. Come on, Brady. Give it to me. Wait. Look at it closely. Okay, Vine. Anybody can give me my blend for Vine? Okay, Avaya blend.
B-I.
How do I mark the vowel?
With the line.
Good. All right, next row, we'll actually write the entire word of the words I'll say. First word, can, write the whole word, can.
You would like the vowel?
No. Okay, so look at this one closely. That's A-Y. So we can't mark a vowel here. That's a special sound. So you need to circle A-Y. Okay, so that's something to note, guys. Be careful of that. You have to pay close attention to it to make sure it's a special sound and not a vowel. Yes, A-Y has an A, but the A is not a vowel. It's special sound A-Y. Okay, what's the word?
May.
Okay, Cairo. Day, good. Next one, David. And this one has a vowel to mark as well. Okay, how do we write can? Okay, Joshua, can.
Dust. C-A-N.
Good, C-A-N, good. Next word, six. Thick. Thick. What's the word?
Dust.
Dust, good. Next one, Kendall. Okay, what's your word? Wow. Long row. 2 hours line. Yes, the word is stove. Good. All right, next one, Tevin. No, Mike. Skip both. I was never looking at the board. Next one, Asa.
Name.
Can you tell me how to mark the special sounds and vowels?
Circle the S and T and put a line over the E and put a cross on the A.
Good. And the word is what?
Steam.
Good. Awesome. All right. So those are our new sounds on chart 6. Y that says I, A-Y that says A, and S-T that says st. All right. So your phonics test is when? Tomorrow. That'll be your first phonics test on tomorrow. Okay. We'll cover our vowels and also some blends as well on our phonics test. But that should, we've been practicing, so we should be good. Okay. All right. So that is it, Asa. You have a good rest of your day. Oh, no, sorry. We're coming back later. I'll see you later on today. Okay. Bye-bye.